Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to move Taskbar to right side of screen. To start, enter Regedit in the search box. Open the registry editor and click Yes to access. After this, you will go to the path that you see on the screen. You are going to select the settings value and double-click on it. In this window, using the direction arrows, go to the line that ends in 08 and under the FE column, press Delete and assign the value 02. Click OK. After that, open the Task Manager from the search. Select Windows Explorer. Click Restart Task, wait for the system to load again. Now you can directly drag the taskbar to the right in Windows 11. We clarify that this process applies versions 22H2 or the first versions of 23H2. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.